are you all? Hope you are all fine. Right. So I know you people are missing school, your friends, your class, and your teachers also. So that's the reason we are back, children. My name is Sridevi. I'll be teaching you mathematics. So I'm the teacher from Lotus Land Public School. Right, children? So the very first topic you're going to learn is about numbers. From your first class onwards, you have been learning about numbers. So as you have grown from third to fourth class, you will be going to learn about more bigger numbers, much bigger numbers, right? So just let's revise what you have learned in your third class once, so that we can go to our fourth class topic. Yes, children? Right. So what is the you have learned about 4-digit numbers, children, in your third class. What is the greatest 4-digit number, or what is the smallest 4-digit numbers? Do you remember, children? So if not, at least try to recall them, right? So what is the smallest 4-digit number you have learned in your third class? It consists of 4 digits. Okay. So what is that number? It is nothing but your 1 followed by 3 zeros. Yes. So it is read as 1000. Yes, children. And this is called the smallest 4-digit number. This you all know, right? Next, what is the greatest 4-digit number, children? Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number consists of 4 greatest digits. Yes, 9, 9, 9, 9. How do you read this number, children? It is 9,999. 9,999. So this is the smallest 4-digit number, and this is the greatest 4-digit number. You all have learned how to read, write, okay, and how to understand, how to explain everything about the 4-digit numbers. So let's move on, children, and learn much bigger numbers. As you have grown big, let us learn about much bigger numbers, that is 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. So what we should do? So here I have taken the greatest 4-digit number, and I am going to add 1 to that. That is, I am going to find its successor, children. So for that we need to add 1 to this. So what will happen now? 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 carried to this. Again 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carried, 10. Again 1 carried, 10. Yes, children. Now how many digits I got? What is this number? How many digits are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got my first 5-digit number. So how to read this number, children? How to read this number? You all have learned about places, something called places, periods in the Indian system, children. Do you remember? Yes, let me write down the places and periods so that you can just recall them. Fine? Yes, children. So this is the place value chart of Indian system, children. So up to here you have learned already in your third class, children. That is the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So that is up to the 4th place, 4-digit numbers. Okay. Then what are these, children? These are periods. Okay. Why do we require periods here? Periods help us in dividing the number into groups or parts, so that it is easy for us to read it, write it, as well as understand or tell the number to somebody. So it makes us work easy. Okay, as soon as we get the big numbers, periods help us in dividing the number so that we can read the number very easily. Okay, so what are the periods you have learned? You have learned about ones period and thousands period, children. So ones period consists of ones, tens and hundreds places. Thousands period consists of thousands place. Now that is up to 4-digit numbers. So just now you have got a 5-digit number, children. When we have added 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, when we have added 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, what did we get, children? We got a 5-digit number. So as I said what is this fifth place called as? The fifth place is called as 10,000s. So this is thousands and this is 10,000s. 10,000s and thousands both are kept under thousands period only, children. Okay. So here, now let me write this number in this place value chart. See here. It's the first 5-digit number. It's the smallest 5-digit number, children. So how do I read this number? It is 1 is in 10,000s place. It is 1 10,000, or we just read it as 10,000. Okay. So the smallest 5-digit number is called as 10,000, children. Likewise, what is the biggest 5-digit number? So 5 nines. Right? Biggest 5-digit number, children. So how do I read this number? How do I read this number? 9, 9, all 9s, children. So these 2 9s, as I said, periods help us in reading the number very easily. Look here. These 2 digits are in thousands period. So I read them together like 99. I read these 2 digits together along with the period name. So it is 99 thousands, and then I read the hundreds place digit 900 and then 99. So how do you read the number, children? Along with the period name. Separate the number along with the period name and read it. 99 thousands, 900s and 99. So this is the greatest 5-digit number. So now next let us move on to the 6-digit number. Okay. So let me add 1 to this to find its successor, children. So what are we going to get when we add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number? Again, 1 added to 9 makes it 0, 10 and 1 carried likewise. So we are going to get our first 6-digit number, children. We are going to get our first 6-digit number. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 digits. So this is our first smallest 6-digit number. So let me put it in our place value chart. But we have written only 5 places, children, up to 10,000 place. Then what is the new place? What is the new place, children? Next place. 6th place is nothing but your lakhs place. 6th place is called as lakhs place, children. So I denote it with L. And what is the period here? Lakhs place comes under lakhs period. It is put under lakhs period. So my 6th place is lakhs. So let me write this number now. 1 followed by 5 zeros. So how do I read this number now? 1 is in lakhs place, remaining all are zeros. So I read this number as 1 lakh. So this is called as 1 lakh, children. So what is the greatest 6-digit number? Greatest 6-digit number is nothing but 6 nines. 6 nines, children. Let us write it in our place value chart. So let us read this number. Try to read this number, children. As I said, how to read the number? Read the number along with the period name. Whatever digits are there under one period, group them together. Read them together. So see here. This 9 is in lakhs place and it is in lakhs period. Okay. So 9 lakhs. And then 2 digits. Thousands and 10,000s come under thousands period. So read them together. 99 thousands. And then 999. So this is called as 9 lakhs, 99 thousands, 999. This is the way you should read the numbers, children. I hope you understood about 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Okay. And the new places what you have learnt now are 10,000s and lakhs places. The new period you have learnt is lakhs period, children.
Numbers up to 5 digit. Children, in the previous classes, you have learnt about numbers up to 4 digits. Do you remember what is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, it is 9,000 999. Let us now see what happens if we add 1 to this number. We will get 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the smallest 5-digit number. We read it as 10,000. Here, the digit 1 is at the 10,000th place. Let us now try to understand how do we read and write a 5-digit number. For this, we use a place value chart. Here, the 5 places are divided into periods. The first 3 places from the right forms the ones period. The next 2 places forms the thousand period. So, we can see that the ones period has 3 places, that is, hundreds, tens and ones. The thousands period has 2 places, that is, 10,000s and thousands. Now, we will find out how periods help in reading and writing large numbers. Let us consider an example. We will write 43612 in the place value chart and rewrite it by marking its periods. Let's start with the ones period and then thousands period. Now, to mark periods in 5-digit numbers, we group the digits in the ones and thousands periods by using a comma. So, we will put comma after the thousands period. This helps us to read the numbers easily. First, read the digits in the thousands period together. Then, follow it by reading the digits in the ones period together. Hence, we read this number as 43,612. Let us now write the place value of each digit in this number. We will start from the ones place. The place value of the digit 2 is 2. The place value of the digit 1 is 10. The place value of the digit 6 is 600. The place value of the digit 3 is 3000s and the place value of the digit 4 is 4 10,000s. In this video, you have learnt how to read or write numbers up to 5 digits.